Before beginning any oil change, ensure you know where your oil filter is located on the vehicle. Filter location varies. Most are accessible from underneath the vehicle, but some are on top of the engine. Keep in mind that the filter may be shielded by an under tray which will need to be removed.
If the engine is cold, run the engine for a few minutes. The heat will cause contaminants to circulate in the warm oil. When you drain your oil, harmful particles won't be left behind to contaminate your fresh engine oil or filter. Warm oil is also thinner than cold oil, so it will drain faster. Be careful not to leave your engine running for too long though, as the oil will be hot enough to burn you. Place an oil drain pan underneath the oil drain plug to collect the old oil as it drains. Loosen the drain plug with a wrench and remove it by hand. Once the old engine oil has drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it to the manufacturer's torque specifications.
Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. There are several different types of oil filter wrenches available. Use one that gives you good access to the filter with the ability to easily turn the wrench once it's in place. Inspect the old filter and the oil filter flange on the engine to ensure that the rubber gasket from the old filter has been removed. Leaving an old gasket on the engine when installing a new oil filter will cause leaks. Lubricate the new filter by coating the rubber seal with a thin film of fresh engine oil. Carefully thread the new filter onto the threaded portion of the oil filter flange and tighten the new filter into place by hand. Tighten the filter until the rubber gasket meets the oil filter flange on the engine. Then by hand, tighten the filter 3/4 to 1 full turn more. Do not tighten with a wrench, as this can result in over-tightening and potentially damage the filter or shorten the life of the oil filter gasket. Now on to the final steps. Open the hood and replace your engine oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the proper type, weight, and volume of oil required. With the new oil and filter installed, start the vehicle and check underneath for any possible leaks. If any are present, address and remedy the cause of the leak before driving the car. Check your engine oil to make sure you have the right amount of oil. Remember to dispose of your old filter and oil at an approved drop-off center. Most auto parts stores will accept your old waste oil for recycling.
Whether it is the standard workshop oil filter or our premium oil filter, Bosch sets a high standard for engine protection and reliability.